How to check games or apps connected to Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. And here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, it will lead you to this page. And here, simply scroll to the bottom. You'll find your activity. There, you'll find apps and websites. Click on it. And after you've clicked on that, you'll find apps and website. In here, you will find all the apps that is connected to your Facebook account. And this is how to check games or apps connected to Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.